Hello lovelies, you're all welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. Happy to have you all here with me today. Lovelies, we are making meat pie, 2-in-1 meat pie. This recipe is so straightforward, it is beginner friendly, anybody can make this and the result is perfect and tastes super delicious. For the exact measurements used, please check the comment section. Let's get it started. That is the minced beef I'll be using today. Add thyme, curry, diced onion, salt, and I'll be adding seasoning into it now. After that, I'll be adding some water. I will cover it now and bring to boil. Let it be well cooked. When it is cooked, all you need to do is get a sieve and get those minced beef out of the meat stock. Guys, that is it. But I'll be reserving 2 to 4 tablespoonfuls of meat stock for later use. Sieve it, let it be pure meat stock, and all you need to do is to keep it for later use. Now get your potatoes, peel it, dice it. This is what you're going to have. That's our diced potatoes. All we need to do now is to pour it into the meat stock and add enough diced onion as well into it. That is carrots, peel the back, dice it as well for easy cooking. Now pour everything into the meat stock, give it a good mix, add some salt to taste, okay? And now cover and boil till soft. Now get the flour. That's the flour. You can see this butter, it is cold. All right, check the comment section. You're going to find the measurements used in it. That is the meat stock I reserved. Now I'll be adding 2 to 4 tablespoonfuls into it. It is now time to get your salt. I'll be adding salt into it now, and I'll be adding baking powder as well into it. Now mix everything together. Shout out to Onibose Rachel. Thank you so much for liking our recipes. Please remember to leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching me from. God bless you. It's now time to add water. Add your water little bit by bit into it, all right? And mix it together. You can transfer onto your work surface and mold together. You don't need to make this. We're not making bread, all right? Just mold everything together when you have your dough this way. So now get your cling film and wrap it, all right? Don't let it dry out. Now keep it in a cool place. Let's check our potato mix. And we need to check if it is soft enough. Look at it. Tralala, it is ready. Now pour the boiled minced beef into it and mix everything together. If you notice that it is not thick enough, if you have too much liquid in it, add 1 tablespoonful of flour, mix together, leave it for 1 to 2 minutes, and to thicken up. You can now keep it for later use. Let's check this out now. Now flour your surface, cut part of your dough. You cannot roll everything at a time out, all right? Cut part of it and then you wrap the rest and keep it for later use. So I'm working with the one I cut out of it now. So roll it out. I'll be using this cutter today. If you have this meat pie cutter, you can use it. If you don't have this, no problem. I'm going to show you the second way, the easiest way to cut it with what you have at home. All right, so after cutting it out, all you need to do is to put the filling now. Cover it with the dough, and now get the cutter again and now cut it out. This is how it looks. It is sealed and well closed, but you have the typical meat pie edges, you need a fork, and then you just need to press it down at the edges round, just like this with your fork. And this is how it's going to look. Now get a baking pan, cream it with some butter, and then you can arrange your meat pie dough on it. That is the first one. Now get the second one. Let's make the second meat pie shape. Now roll it out again, and now get a cup, a round bowl, a small pot, place it on it and cut it round just like this to have this round shape. Now top it with the filling. And all you need to do is to get a fork again and close the edges with it, and you have the typical meat pie shape and the closure as well with it, the original meat pie closure. Look at it. That is it. Now get a baking pan, cream it with some butter, and then arrange your meat pie dough on it. Look at it. Yes, it's now ready to be baked, but you need to egg wash it before baking it. I'll be egg washing this with just a yolk and a teaspoonful of water into just one egg yolk, okay, and teaspoonful of water mixed together, and egg wash your meat pie dough with it. Now preheat your oven up to 180 centigrade and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. So, tra-la-la, lovelies, they are now ready. You can see that is the first meat pie, and you're going to see the second one as well. It is now ready. It looks super yummy. Don't you like what you're seeing? I'm sure you like it. Yeah, I'm sure you like it. Let me open one and let us see how it looks inside. Look at it. Look at the back. Look at the front. Let's see how it looks inside out. Take a good look at it, and it tastes super delicious. Make sure you try this. Check the comment section. You are going to find the exact measurement used there. All right, this is easy and everyone can make it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.